so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't.
Morning guys.
I'll do what I want.
Umaga ng miyerkules guys. Masyadong malamig.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit.
Kini nga simbahan guys, mo na yung simbahan sa Aglipay. Oh, yun yung napansin, nasa lay cross. Kaya ang founder ani Katoliko siya sa una. Dayon naglain siya, mao nagtukod siya ingani simbahan si founder si Gregorio Aglipay.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling.
Guys, kada buntag man ko mag jogging guys, pero talagsar ako mag bidyo. Makaingon mo nga karon na pud ko nag jogging. nahalaan ba kong pulis guys kay tungod sa ako ang
What? What?
alot
What?
siguro
What do y'all think?
ug sa ako ang suot nga uniforme sa pan